Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already have. Open VS Code terminal and run Python version so you know the baseline. Next, install the desired Python release from the official installer or your package manager, and remember the install path because you will point VS Code to it. Also make sure the Python extension in VS Code is updated. Once done, restart VS Code so the extension recognizes new interpreters and avoids cached environment listings. Once VS Code is restarted, choose the interpreter via command palette. Python, select interpreter, then pick the new version. If it does not appear, add the exact path to the Python executable in your workspace settings or create a new virtual environment using Python mvenv. Venv and select that. Make sure workspace and user settings reflect the updated Python. Python path so debugging and linting use the correct interpreter. This prevents mismatches between terminal and editor environments. Finish by verifying in the integrated terminal that Python version and pip list show the expected interpreter and packages. Then update VS Code tools, debugger configuration, linters, and formatters to reference the new interpreter so code runs consistently. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to ensure the Python path is on your path environment, fully restart VS Code, or recreate the virtual environment. These steps resolve most issues caused by.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.